Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that can actually help you increase the traffic to your website and attract more customers, resulting in the growth of your company. So let's start with your website, the front page. I will be covering also the Google business profile as well as backlinks. So I can see that you have the cart over here. You have the different action buttons. So shop now, from the owner, find us. And then you have links to the different samples and products that you sell. You also have very nice pictures, your visuals, a brief intro of the company, some of the testimonials and reviews. So overall, it is a well laid out front page. Few of the things that you could do, perhaps just to make it easier for people to reach out to you, is to add a click to call button, add a contact us form over here. Then you could have perhaps a description of these, the different products that you work with. What is the process to work with, like for example, ordering, doing a free estimate, design, installation, what's the process that people have to go through. And then in the footer, you could have links to your social media accounts, the location map, and again, a contact us form. Just those action calls throughout the websites just to get people to reach out to you. In terms of the amount of content, right now your homepage has 1946 words. And if I look at two of your competitors, so these guys, Granite, Kitchen and Bath, Countertops, these guys have 199 words. Is this correct? They have 212 words on their front page. And ProSource, these guys have 1,312 words. So one of the reasons or one of the mechanisms to rank up higher or to be found for more keywords is to actually throw in here more content, and to be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words. So well done there. And because through content, you are able to push through more relevant value intent keywords. And what I mean by that is that I came here to the Google search and I type in countertops Tucson. And then the first section that we see is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. Then you have the Google Maps, and the Google Maps are driving 30 to 40% of the traffic. So that's a huge and massive impact on business owners. And to rank here, you need optimized and geotagged pictures, you need reviews. Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those in your Google business profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can rank and grab one of these top positions. Then you have the Google Organic Search, and to rank here in the Google Organic Search, you need something that we call backlinks. So here's where I found the two competitors for this particular keyword. So let's talk about backlinks. To analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And right now I am looking at your front page, your website, and there are 115 external websites pointing or directing traffic through 786 backlinks. So a backlink is nothing else than a link on another website. If I have a look at Granite, these guys have 89 referring domains directing traffic through 237 backlinks. And ProSource, these guys have, just for this landing page, which is the products countertops, they don't have a specific backlinks for that particular landing page. They have backlinks at the domain level. So at the domain level, these guys have, if it loads quickly, they have 9,120 external websites with this amount of backlinks. But I was just looking at the landing page for the search that I performed. So it's important to have a look at this backlink profile because you actually want to have not only more backlinks, but powerful backlinks. And what I mean by that is that you want those backlinks to be sitting on websites that are relevant to the services that you provide, so that Google can actually give you extra credit for these backlinks. Now, the other section that I want to show with you is the organic keywords. So you are being found for 573 organic keywords. In this view, I can see what those keywords are. the volume is the number of times these keywords are searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is appearing for that particular keyword. So anything beyond the 10th, 11th position means that you're already on the second page of Google, which is going to be really hard to attract traffic. But you can see here, for example, for the ones that I highlighted, that you are ranking in positions 4, 7, 3rd, 8, and generally speaking, you are ranking in that range. So well done there. It means that your backlinks are powerful. But I actually did an exercise. So for the keywords that I highlighted, the total search volume amounts to 2,000 searches per month. And the traffic that you are getting for being in the positions that are highlighted here is 152 visits. It's an estimate, but around 152 visits to your website. If I have a look at Granite, these guys are being found for 308 organic keywords, and they are ranking on the first, second position. And for the same keywords that were highlighted before, just because they are in the first and second position, they are able to drive 363 visits to their websites against 152 visits that you are able to get. So that's actually more than 200 visits than what you're getting. So it's a numbers game. By being at the top, you're able to get more traffic, and more traffic means more customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I really hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to actually increase the traffic to your website. And please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.